Microsoft Office Training Project Manager, Rosario. The following is the current status of the Microsoft Office Training Project. We are currently at Amber because a few issues have arisen, which I will discuss in the following slides. The reason we are at Amber as of this week is because there have been some issues with being able to schedule some of the venues. Some of the original locations are not available due to renovations, and we have had to adjust in order to accommodate everyone in the training in those branches. We have reached all our previous milestones up until this point. The outline for training was written, training materials were sent out along with takeaway handouts. Training spots were scheduled along with the ones we had to reschedule, and air travel and transportation were all completed on schedule even after the changes that were made. The milestones that we will look to accomplish next week will be to send out all notifications of training times and locations. We will start the initial training of employees and start gathering feedback from the surveys to see if there's anything that we need to adjust. All venues have been identified and scheduled now. We have sent out all the electronic materials and have been able to secure the external trainer for the New York branch. Thank you.